no one could make a factory. When we first started doing all of this for high protein noodles, the more protein you have, the more the protein will shrink on you, the more it will cause you problems. And the high protein dough, because the dough is tougher, it makes it much harder to cut. Now this becomes very problematic because for this to go through the teeth properly, it has to be a very specific thickness. You have to get that dough to 1.5 millimeters. This is the size of this cutter. You take the dough and slowly thin it out until it is 1.5 millimeters through a set of 7 different rollers. If your dough does not get to 1.5 or is too thick or too thin, what happens is that it goes through the cutter too fast or too slow. And what that'll actually do is that'll tear the dough. Because the dough does not want to stretch because of the protein, it's keeping it together, it'll snap back. And if you don't get it right, it will either clog the machine or it will tear the dough, in which it won't go through as a continuous sheet, both which are problematic. The amount of pressure that dough can create is massive. It's actually terrifying how much pressure it can create. It's one of the reasons why it's so incredibly difficult to do high protein noodles. Besides the fact that you have all the ripping and tearing and everything that doesn't work,